Today I'm going to make a very important video, and today I'm going to share a very important thing in this circuit. And this one is elitebook 8460p laptop. This laptop is dead, and dead means this laptop power is not working. Plug in the charger, and you can see here there is no response. Press the power button. This is not working. Okay, let's see the magic. And when I open my CMOS battery, and you can see here, and unplug the charger and plug in, and you can see here the power is working. You can see the light and power is glowing, and display also working here. Power is shining, and you can see the display. This CMOS battery make this laptop is dead, and that means power is not turning on, power is not working. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.